There's so many different ways that AI tools can enhance efficiency in the delivery of legal services. We're not talking about that today. We're not talking about how lawyers can use it. Many legal tech companies have been using AI for a really long time, and I don't think everybody realizes that there's AI in all of these tools: e-discovery, legal research, DM systems, due diligence tools, and litigation analysis. So this isn't anything new, to be honest with everybody. Like, it's just how we use it is a little different. And the reason I like AI, I mean, I'm a little scared of it just because I work with so many law firms, but I think that there are different opportunities that AI tools really present to lawyers, law firms, etc., and essentially marketers as well. And the reason is that it helps us be more efficient about the things that we're doing, which means we can focus on the things that really matter.
Yeah, there are a lot of different ways, and we're literally just scratching the surface right now, but a lot of them involve increasing efficiency. So let me get that first draft. Or, I think we've all been in the situation where we've got to get something written and we've just got a block, writer's block. You can get it to generate ideas. The other thing that you can do is then once you've got your marketing message, you can better target your audience and you can improve the client experience. A lot of people have gotten frustrated with customer service and client service over the years, and AI can help get to that first level of service where there's nothing now. It's not going to be a substitute for the human in every situation, but certainly can help in some and ultimately give us a competitive advantage.